Welcome and welcome back to my small space gardening oasis.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Thank you so much to my new family that came on board. I sincerely appreciate you all. Thank you so much, everyone, for the support. Thank you so much to my channel members. God bless you all.
I took off the cover of the barrel last night because I thought it was going to rain. It was so bleaky. The skies were very dark. Still looks bleaky. I'm gonna go up this side and show you. So I really thought it was going to rain, but nada. No rain. Alright, so what I want to show you are my new additions. But just before I get there, you see these ginger that you're looking at right here? Well, these are what I'm going to replant. So I got some ginger from here and I couldn't record it because it was late night. It's good when you're growing your own food, you know, because the other night my daughter wasn't feeling well on her stomach and I checked the fridge. I didn't have any ginger. I said, all right. I came out here. I had that ginger inside this pepper plant right here. I have more ginger around the garden, you know, and I have a lot of ginger. Let me show you. A lot of ginger right there as well. But the first ginger I saw was this one. And so I just went for it. When I'm telling you that it was late, it was after midnight. So I just root up everything, root it up, took out the big piece. I couldn't record it, guys. There were no time to think about getting a camera at that time. I didn't need to root up everything, but I wanted it right away and I didn't want to neat and fine. So everything is pulled up. So I'm going to find other locations to put some of these. So hence why I put it in here and let it stay in water. Alright, so back to my new additions. So this tree right here, it is a dwarf. As you know, I mainly grow dwarf trees. So this is a tangerine. Yep, I love tangerine. I bought it from Nature Touch Farms on TikTok. So if you're here in Jamaica, you can reach out to him or you can leave me a comment. I'll drop the number for you. But anyhow, I can't wait to get to this. So this is what I purchased. And he gave me this. He gave me a gooseberry. I've never seen a gooseberry plant up close. I've never eaten a gooseberry. I've never even seen the fruit up close. I've heard about it. I've never took the time out to research it or anything because that is not common here in Jamaica. So this is a Barbadian gooseberry. Alright, so I got the plant. I was excited. I told him thanks and everything. Little did I know that it had fruits on it. When he said that, I was saying no. And he said yes. And fruit starts to form as well. So he's telling me that gooseberry, it is very nutritious. It is a superfood rich in vitamin C, rich in calcium, rich in magnesium, and some other things he was telling me. He's saying that the leaves are even edible. This one broke off, I guess, with the delivery and the transfer process. So this is actually a gooseberry right here. And he's saying that the leaves that comes with the fruit right here, they are edible and that they can be used in salads. So this is the gooseberry right here. For those who don't know, I didn't know. So when he told me that they were there. I said, no man, I'm going to have to look again. So this is another one that is coming up. So I am excited. So he's saying that it will run. So I need to like get a trellis for it. Lord, I am not sure how that is going to work out. I know I'm going to get it in a container. I may have to use like broomsticks, like what I did right here with the cherry tree. So I may just do that for this gooseberry. I have where I'm going to put this tangerine. Let me show you. So see my orange right there? I plan to put the tangerine right here. So that is what I had planned for. But I am so elated about the gooseberry. I mean, I love to try something new. It has like it has what is called again? I stop right here because I'm going to get a cucumber right here. Look at the busy bee. So the cucumber is right here. Let me get it. Alright. Nice. So as I was saying, he has other fruit trees that I hope to get in the near future, like grapefruit and fig tree. I'm going to get one of his fig as well in the near future. The pocket have to be right. So you can check him out on TikTok if you're interested in any fruit trees, mainly citrus, I know. I'm not sure what else he has, but I mainly know him for citrus trees. Thank you so much again, Ron, for my gift. So I've come to terms that this is a male papaya. That's how it is sometimes. Disappointed, yes, but it's just life. See, I have another one coming here and another one coming here. So look at God. I don't believe that all three is male. I'm speaking it into being one of these, or maybe these two are females. So inside here, this is hot water. The stink bugs, they're having a ball in my garden. So I'm just going to skim them off in this hot water. Get rid of them. Oh, God. Later on, I just add some soap to this water and get some more. I'm not going to bore you with searching for stink bugs. Have you ever eaten gooseberry? How does it taste? Is it sweet, sour, savory? And how do you like it? Comment and tell me below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it, and thank you so much in advance. Feel free to hit the join button and become a GWS Family Elite. Yes, that's you. And thank you so much in advance.
Also, don't be afraid if you're watching and you want to appreciate any of my videos, you can go ahead and drop me a donation of thanks. I will appreciate it. And thank you so much in advance. Also, you can support me by purchasing one of my books. Yes, my adult activity book on Amazon. The link is in my description. You will love it.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.